Have you ever wondered how our closest celestial neighbor, the moon, came into existence? The moon, that silvery orb that adorns our night sky, holds a fascinating history that stretches back over 4.5 billion years. Today, we'll traverse this vast timeline, exploring the moon's origin, evolution, and its role in our current era. The story of the moon begins in the early stages of our solar system, about 4.5 billion years ago. The prevailing theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, suggests that a Mars-sized body, referred to as Theia, collided with the young Earth. This colossal collision resulted in a massive cloud of debris, which eventually coalesced under gravity to form the moon. For the next billion years, the moon found itself in a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. During this time, countless asteroids and comets pelted the lunar surface, giving it its characteristic craters and basins. One of the largest impacts during this period created the Imbrium Basin, a vast crater that spans over 1,000 kilometers in diameter. Around 3 billion years ago, the moon's volcanic activity peaked, giving rise to its dark plains, or maria. These volcanic eruptions also released gases, albeit in insufficient quantities to form an atmosphere, resulting in the moon's airless environment that persists to this day. Fast forward to about 1 billion years ago, the moon entered a period of relative calm. Its volcanic activity subsided and the rate of asteroid impacts declined. The moon's surface as we know it today began to take shape. The moon's more recent history, spanning the last few hundred years, has been marked by human curiosity and exploration. Galileo Galilei's observations in the 17th century marked the beginning of detailed lunar studies. The 20th century saw the pinnacle of human lunar exploration, with the Apollo missions landing 12 astronauts on its surface. These missions brought back lunar rocks and soil, providing invaluable insights into the moon's composition and history. Today, the moon continues to captivate our imagination and scientific interest. Its surface serves as a record of the solar system's history, and its resources might play a key role in humanity's future space exploration endeavors. To summarize, the moon's tail is one of formation from a violent impact, sculpting by bombardments and volcanic activity, and a process of cooling and quieting down. In more recent times, it has become a beacon for human exploration and scientific discovery. From its birth 4.5 billion years ago to its current role as a stepping stone for future space missions, the moon's journey is, without doubt, a story of cosmic resilience and constant evolution. And as we gaze upon it in the night sky, we're not just looking at our closest celestial neighbor, but a silent chronicler of the solar system's history.